Winners are not people who never fail, but people who never quit. The past cannot be changed. The future is yet in your power. Good, better, best, never let it rest till your good is better and your better is best. Don't compare your results to someone else. You can never be another person, you can only be a better version of yourself. Try not become a man of success, but rather try to become a man of value. Maturity is not when we start speaking big things, it is when we start understanding small things. The true sign of intelligence is not knowledge but imagination. Stay away from negative people. They have a problem for every solution. Successful persons never do big things, they do small things in extraordinary way. If you can change your mind, you can change your life. Subscribe our channel for watching more videos.